Joy's.
Hi guys, welcome to my Sandy Joy's channel. Today I'll make a sand painting of gardening tools such as flower pots, a watering can, a hand rake, and a shovel trowel. Let's draw and paint together. I'm going to paint this picture with bright colors.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
That's great! Look at all the colors mixing together.